from CBSE Immediate Help, and today we are going to discuss certain very important aspects of the question paper which is set by CBSE board. Normally we see that many questions can be done easily because they are either from the book or they can be done using simple formula, and if someone has a practice he can easily attempt and score good marks. But there are 20% questions in the question paper, especially of math, which belong to a category called HOTS, which stands for High Order Thinking Skill. Now these questions require a lot of analytical skill on the part of examinee. Looking at the first instant, it appears that the question cannot be done using normal or conventional method. But a little bit application of mind and some practice, of course, coupled with ability to analyze things in the right perspective, can really help crack these problems. So today we will discuss such HOTS problems which actually appeared in the last year maths question paper of CBSE board. So in this episode, let's take up one such question that belongs to this category HOTS and that appeared in the last year question paper of math subject conducted by CBSE board. So let's take one example. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन की तरफ देखेंगे तो बहुत ही अजीब, unusual लग रहा है, because this question does not appear either in textbook or in exemplar, or except R.D. Sharma, you will not find this question anywhere, and there also this question is given as an unsolved. So today we will try to understand कि इस question को करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए. So let's first try to understand the question. ये एक पूरा सर्कल है जिसका रेडियस r है और ये AB जो tangent की तरह काम कर रहा है, और we have to find out what is the perimeter of this shaded region, right? And this is the angle theta which this line OB is making with this radius OA, and we have to find out the perimeter, not the area. It is the perimeter of this shaded region, right? So if you look at it, ये जो perimeter है वो तीन हिस्सों में बटा हुआ है. पहला वाला हिस्सा ये AB है, दूसरा हिस्सा लेंथ ऑफ PB है, और तीसरा हिस्सा लेंथ ऑफ PA है. So to find out the perimeter of the entire region, we have to separately find out these lengths and then we have to add them up, and that will give us this perimeter which we have to prove. So actually this question is a proving type of question where the answer is already given and we have to use all different methods and finally arrive at this answer. So I hope I am exactly and completely clear how to attempt this question. So now let's start doing it. So perimeter of shaded region, as I said earlier, is equal to AB one part, PB second part, and again this curved path PA. So we have to separately find them out, and then finally we will add them up, and then we will get this answer. So now let's find out these three terms separately, और उसके बाद उन तीनों को जोड़ देंगे. So first term is AB. Now in order to find AB, what we have to do is to take this triangle BAO. It's a right angle triangle because AB is the tangent, so we can use trigonometry here, and since we have to find out the perpendicular part AB, and we have been given this base part R, So we can use that tan theta equal to AB by OA, which is nothing but R. So AB, again you cross multiply, you will get R tan theta. So the first part has now come. Now let's come to the second part, PB part. Now if you look at it, we cannot really separately find out PB, but PB is a part of OB, and we have the OP available, which is nothing but the radius of the circle. So in order to find PB, first we will try to find OB, and then we will subtract this R from it, and that will give us PB. So first let's try to find out OB, and for that OB we will have to use the formula of sec theta. So sec theta is equal to BO by R, which means BO equal to R sec theta. Now we have got BO. Since we have to find PB, so PB is nothing but BO minus OB. BO already we have got R sec theta, and OP is also the radius, so we can simply put it R. So here we have got the second term PB also. Now let's move to the third term, which is the length of this arc PA. Now here we have to again use the formula of the length of the arc, which is nothing but theta, which is the angle given, divided by 360, the total angle of the circle, into the total perimeter of the circle, which is nothing but 2 pi r. Now here 2 can be cut, and we can have theta by 180. So here if we take r this side, we will get r pi theta by 180. R pi theta by 180. Now we have to find out the total perimeter. So let's take this equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, and let's substitute 2, 3 and 4 in this equation 1. So substituting equation 2, 3 and 4 in equation 1, we will get perimeter equal to first part AB, which is R tan theta, second part PB, which is R sec theta minus R, and third part, which is R pi theta by 180. So we have got the perimeter. Now here we can see that in the question itself mention किया हुआ है कि R जो है वो common निकाला हुआ है. So we can see that R is common in all the terms. So let's take out R outside, and we will be left with R tan theta plus R is taken out, so only sec theta. And let's take this term first, because here they have taken it. So here it will be pi theta by 180, and this part we can take it as at the end, because that is what has been given for us to prove, and this is what is matching here exactly, which means our answer is correct. So having solved this problem, let me just sum up how we all did it. We had been given one proof question where we had to find out the perimeter of the shaded region as this. This was the radius, angle theta, and the perimeter will be nothing but AB plus PB, AB plus PB plus arc length PA. For AB, we have used the triangle BAO and used trigonometry, and we got AB as r tan theta. Similarly, in the same triangle, we have first found BO, and finally we have got PB as r sec theta minus r. And as far as this length is concerned, again we have used just the formula and we got it as r pi theta by 180. We have substituted all these results here and we have got the perimeter as this, which is actually matching with what we had been asked to do. So hence this has been successfully proved. So this was me, Dilip Thakur, from this channel. If you have any questions, you are welcome to come back to me. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our news channel. Thank you.